Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn LeetCode problem number 49. So the statement is, the problem name is group anagrams. Okay. So the problem statement is given an array of string strs. Okay, here you can see strs. Okay, so group the anagram together. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, so input equals to 8 comma t comma 10 comma 8 comma net comma bet. Okay, so output our output is bet net 10. Okay, like n here, a a and t here. So like anagram is a group of character. um, in if you have like a bird, if you have two word like eat and tea, but both has same character. Okay, like eat, eat, like eat. Okay, like if you have two group eat and tea, like if you have two words eat and tea. Okay, but both has same character. Okay, then we can group it in a one list. Okay, so add also have same character and eat also have same character and t also have same character. So this group has um, same character in a word. Okay, here you can see net and 10, these all have same character. Okay, so bad doesn't have any same character from this list. Okay, so here we have three group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. Okay, so there is no string in str that can be rearranged to from bad. So the string net and 10 are anagram as they can be rearranged to from each other. The string at, eat and t are anagrams as they can be rearranged to from each other. So input string empty, output empty. Okay, if you have like this output like this. So string equals to in list A, so output equals to like that. Okay, so here I need to define, I need to import from collections, import default dict, default dict from. So guys, this is the we already import this, default dict and list. Okay, from typing and collections. From collections, default dicts I have already imported, and this is the class and this is the function. Okay, so these are the arguments like self and string. This is a input, and here I am going to I was creating a default dict that automatically create list if you don't have a list. Okay, for store the values, sorted values. Okay, and this is a for loop for word in a strs. Okay, and sorted words like equals to dot join and sorted word, and HashMap equals to HashMap of sorted word dot append word return list HashMap dot values. Okay, so here we need to check like what is the anagram. Like anagram we have a similar word like eat and 10, eat, tea, these have same characters. Okay, and at also have same character. So these three are make one group. Okay, and 10 and net also have same character, and these two also make another group, and bet it doesn't I mean bat doesn't have any character that will match from this these words character. So here you can see eat equals if you want to sort eat, then it will return like a eat at. Okay, if you want to sort t, like it is a te, I mean it is also a aet. If you want to sort atan, then it will return ant. If you want to sort ate, then it will return aet. And net, it will return ant. Sorted form of net is ant, and wet sorted form of that is equals to avt. Okay, so here you can see forward and strs. Okay, so this is the strs, our input. Here we can see word like eat equals to word, and t equals to word, and strs. Okay, so here a sorted word dot join sorted word. Okay, so if we have sorted word like eat t, so this is our first sorted word. Here mm, we can like dot join sorted word. So here we can join and create a group. Sorted word dot join dot append word here. So here we can see dot join sorted words. So here these are the sorted words. Okay, eat tea from anagram, and 10 from 10 then met from these words. So we took it as a group 2, and at tea and eat, these are in one group because these all are have same words. Okay, and we already joined this by using this dot join sorted word. Okay, and net net and 10 also have same word, then it will create, I mean it was creating another group which called to group 2, and where didn't match from any group, so that's why we took it as a group 3. And these all are I have joined I mean I have append here all the words and return it in list like this. Like this is our first group, and this is our second group, and this is our third group. So output equals to eat t at, this is from first group, and this is from group 2, and this is from group 3. Okay guys, bye bye, take care. If you like my videos, please do share, subscribe and comments. Bye bye.